In this short video, I'll show you a piece of code that you should easily understand, because I'm not introducing anything new here. Before I discuss this app any further, I want you to think about this video as a prerequisite video which will demonstrate to you just one of the many reasons for the existence and use of functions in JavaScript. Here is my app's code. Let me first run this app and then I'll discuss it. Okay, so in the first prompt, it's asking me for a word, so I type orange. Then it's asking me for the number of repetitions, and I type 5. Note that I don't have to convert the string of 5 that's coming from the prompt, because I don't have to compare it as a number. I only need to make sure that the number of reps is equal to the value of 5 of the string data type. Then my app outputs all these strings here, basically just going through the console logs as specified in this first if statement. I could have chosen, for example, to have 4 repetitions instead of 5, and my app would work nicely, because I have programmed it for such a situation. Notice that I have a comment which reads etc. at the very bottom of my app's code. The reason for this is that it's very cumbersome and repetitive to keep typing all this code, all these if statements for all the different values of the reps variable. Actually, it's so tiring that I couldn't even bring myself to add more than 2 if statements in my code. Luckily, in JavaScript as well as many other programming languages, there are several ways to automate repetition. For now, I'll just discuss functions as one of the ways to automate repetition. Okay, so you know that programming luckily has a way to avoid all this duplication here in these 2 if statements. And you've also learned that there are several ways to avoid this duplication, and that one such way is this function thing. But what exactly is a function? And how does it work to achieve the goal of avoiding duplication? Also, I said that it's just one of its benefits and that there are many more. Obviously, there are a lot of questions here, so let's start tackling them one by one. The rest of this lesson continues as a reading because I feel that a reading is a lot better way to fully explain the basics of functions. We'll come back to videos pretty soon though, but for now, please carefully read the reading part of this lesson.